Well, hello there. A pleasant morning to each and every one of us. For this video, we are going to talk about how to solve H-word problem, mixture problem, and distance, rate, and time. So first, let us solve the H-word problem. So we have here the problem 1. Maria is 12 years older than her brother John. The sum of their ages is 48 years. How old is each of them? So the solution comes like this. Let John's age be the x. Since Maria is 12 years older than her brother John, her age is x plus 12. The sum of their ages is 48. So we can set up the equation like this. X plus open parenthesis x plus 12 close parenthesis is equals to 48. Simplify the equation. 2x plus 12 is equals to 48. Now subtract the 12 from both sides. 2x is equals to 36. Then divide both sides by 2 to cancel out the 2. So the final answer is x is equals to 18. So John is 18 years old, and to find out the age of Maria, we add 12 to John's age. So therefore, Maria is 30 years old, since 18 plus 12 is equals to 30 years. So now let's move on mixture problem. A painter wants to mix 20 liters of paint, 30% of white paint with a 40% of red paint to make a 20% mixed paint. How many liters of 40% red paint should be added? Solution. Paint 1 volume 1 plus paint 2 volume 2 is equals to paint 3 volume 3. So let 40% be the volume of V1 and let 20% base be the volume of V2. Since we know that V1 plus V2 is equals to 20 liters, the total volume blend. 40% plus 20%, open parenthesis 20 minus x is equals to 30 multiplied by 20. Simplify the equation. 40x plus 400 minus 20x is equals to 600. So we now combine the like terms, which is 40x minus 20x is equals to 600. Transpose the 400. Now simplify the equation. 20x is equals to 200. Now let us divide both sides by 20. So the final answer is 10. The painter should add 10 letters of 40% red paint to get the desired mixture. Distance, rate, and time. Two bicycles are moving towards each other on a public road. Ray's bicycle is moving at a speed of 15 km per hour and Lance's bicycle is moving at a speed of 10 km per hour. If they are currently 100 meters apart, how long will it take for them to pass each other? Solution. Since we know that the two bicycles are moving towards each other, we combine their speed. dr plus dl is equals to 100. Let 15 be the speed of dr and 10 for dl. 15t plus 10t is equals to 100 meters. Combine like terms. 25t is equals to 100. Then simplify the equation by dividing both sides by 25 to cancel out the 25. So 25t is equals to 100 divided by 25. So the answer is 4 hours. And it will take 4 hours for them to pass each other.